Have you ever felt like your energy disappeared the moment you looked in the mirror? What if I told you that a single 3-minute habit, one you probably dismissed as vanity, could completely rewire how you feel, how you show up, and how others respond to you? This is not about beauty. It's about psychology, neurochemistry, and power. Stay with me. You're about to discover the hidden science behind something called the cherry blossom blush, a soft, natural glow that not only enhances your appearance, but acts like a mood and confidence amplifier. Visual suggestion, mirror reflection, dissolving into an energetic, radiant version of self. Subscribe if you believe confidence can be built. Let's talk about first impressions. According to Princeton research, your brain forms an opinion about someone in less than 100 milliseconds. That's faster than a blink. And here's the wild part. Your brain forms that same kind of impression about yourself. Yes, your brain is watching you. In the mirror, on Zoom, or scrolling your own selfies. Every time you look dull, tired, or disheveled, it triggers what psychologists call a subtle self-rejection loop. But there's a hack. Something as simple as adding a natural glow, a soft touch of color, can break that loop. You send your brain a different signal. I matter today. When people apply even a hint of blush or skin tint, they activate the brain's reward pathways. It's not vanity, it's biology. Dr. Serena Whitmore, neuroscientist. There's a phenomenon in beauty psychology known as the blush effect. It's the impact of a flushed glow on how others treat you. Studies show that individuals with a subtle blush are perceived as more trustworthy, energetic, and socially intelligent. Think about it. Warmth in your face triggers warmth in others. But it's not just social, it's deeply chemical. That rosy tint mirrors oxytocin and dopamine release, the same chemicals associated with love, reward, and human connection. Real case study. Sarah, 37, started applying a soft blush before Zoom calls. She said it felt silly at first, but over 3 weeks, she was interrupted less, praised more, and her energy stayed high longer. She wasn't just performing, she was transforming. Try this for 7 days and comment your results. Makeup isn't decoration. It can be neural priming. Neuroscience shows that when you engage in rituals that involve touch, color, and visual enhancement, your brain produces a dopamine spike. It's the same pathway used in habit creation. So yes, that 3-minute glow ritual is literally a mood booster. Practical tip. Use a cream-based blush in warm tones like coral, peach, or cherry blossom. Apply in upward motions on the cheekbones while looking into your own eyes. Anchor a mantra. I rise today. Somewhere along the way, we were told that caring about how you look is shallow. But that's not what the science says. Harvard research reveals that when individuals make small intentional changes to their appearance, their cognitive performance improves by up to 17%. Why? Because self-respect triggers executive function. Interview clip. Every time I skip my glow ritual, my whole energy changes. It's like skipping coffee for my soul. Maya, entrepreneur. Let's reclaim this power. Your appearance isn't a performance. It's a declaration of presence. We are biologically wired to respond to beauty. Mirror neurons in your brain replicate what you see in others. That means when you show up glowing, others feel that glow too. It's contagious. Real-world parallel. Flight attendants and public speakers who wear soft blush report higher customer satisfaction scores and attention retention. You're not just improving your day, you're improving the collective energy around you. Quote on screen, "Beauty begins the moment you decide to be seen." Coco Chanel. Let's make this real. Here's your glow challenge. 7 days of consistent application. 1 photo per day. 1 word to describe your mood each day. At the end of the week, look back. You'll notice it wasn't just your skin that changed, it was your mindset, body language, energy. You thought this was about makeup, but this was never about the blush, and it's about reminding your nervous system that you deserve to be radiant, that you deserve to take up space, that you deserve to be seen. A glow is never just skin deep. It's a sign, a symbol, a signal to the world. And when you change the signal, you change everything. Like this video, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, What's your power ritual? Just habits. One habit can change everything.